I guess we should.
Over here, I don't know why he just runs over there. It ain't too bad today, though. Is it?
Are y'all ready? What? Y'all ready to get down?
He wanted to wear his suit today.
Whoa.
He hadn't had no good shoes to wear with him.
Wow. How do we do that?
You know what size them jeans are? That's old.
I can do this by myself.
That's where I'm going.
At least it's not cold. It's nice.
Well, at work starting, well, they's putting up
That's
the
what Mama
signs.
said. No more smoking.
Yeah, plant-free, yeah, with what's out. And it's a designated area by the dumpster. You can't go in the parking lot smoke.
Is it that place downstairs? You go out the door and it's by the dumpster and the dock is there where they load the trucks.
Yeah.
That's where we used to go sometimes, like on break.